orifice and mouthpieces. In the orifice and mouthpieces, we have the small formulas. Okay. So this is the orifice. This is his mouthpiece. So what is the difference between them? In the orifice, the rate for the calculating the rate of flow, we have to arrange the rectangular, triangular, or trapezium orifices. This is the cross section. In the mouthpieces, this mouthpiece, the somewhat is extended. For somewhat is extended outside. Okay. So this is a cross section. If you see the front view, for example, this is, for example, take triangular. So this is a front view in this way. Okay. This is the front view. Next one is coefficient of contraction equal to area or velocity at the outside element at contraction area by actual area. Okay. Next one is Borda free and Borda full. In the Borda free and Borda full, what is the difference is the flowing water is this will not touch the sides of the wall. For example, sides of this figure. We have the some gap here. Okay. In the Borda full, this area we have now, this total orifice what we have fully fledged, it will flow. There is no gap between the water and this. Okay. In this Borda free, what is the coefficient of contraction? 0.52. What is the coefficient of velocity? It is 0.98. What is the coefficient of discharge? It is 0.51. In the Borda free, that is those values. Borda full, coefficient of contraction equal to 0.74, coefficient of velocity equal to 1, and coefficient of discharge equal to 0.74. Next one is Q equal to area into velocity. We know that area A equal to coefficient of contraction into small a. See, from here we will get, okay, coefficient of V equal to coefficient of V here, see, coefficient of velocity under root of 2gh. Q equal to A into under root of 2gh. See, whole term, this whole term we can write as Q and CV. Small a into root 2gh equal to, what is that? Q. So at that place we can replace with Q and remaining right as it is. Coefficient of discharge Q equal to C into A into V. Finally we will get this. So in some examination he will direct ask the what is the coefficient of velocity. He given in the options, he will give in the question, he will give the x value, h value and y value. At that time we have to use this formula. Coefficient of velocity equal to x by under root of 4 into h into y. Okay. Coefficient of contraction equal to pi by pi plus 2. This value becomes 0.61. If you remember 0.61, it is okay, or you can remember this formula. Time taken to empty the tank from the H1 to H2. Some height is given, H1 and H2. What is the total time taken to empty the tank? So this is the standard formulas we have. T equal to 2 into A and under root of H1 minus H2 whole by CD into A into root 2G. This is for the emptying the tank from the H1 and H2. To completely or to empty the completely, to empty the tank completely, for that we have the same formula, but here H2 becomes 0. In this place, at this place, if you put the 0, then we will get this formula 2 into A into under root H whole by CD into A into root 2G. This is about the orifices and mouthpieces. Notches and wears. See, we have the notches and wears by the different shapes, rectangular, triangular and trapezium. In that we have to concentrate on these 4 things. See 1% difference in head gives 1.5% difference in discharge. Okay, 1% difference in head gives 2.5% difference in discharge. It is for the rectangular, it is for the triangular. These are the standard questions we have. Directly we will get the in exam. All this point what I am telling is each and every question is previous year questions. Okay. In that, next one is board crusted wear. For the board crusted wear, we have the CD value, and that is 0.85 for square entry, 0.98 for round entry. If you have the square entry, nothing but for example water is flowing here. If you have the square entry or if you have the round entry, for these two we have the difference values of coefficient of discharge. Q actual, we know that Q CD into Q theoretical. CD nothing but coefficient of discharge. Next one is venturimeter. For the venturimeter, we have the coefficient of discharge values 0.96 to 0.9. This is the range of the CD value of the venturimeter. But if the examination is not given range, then we have to select nearly this is equal to 0.91. Okay, this is about the total fluid dynamics and flow measurements. Okay.